So this is a test for simple carbohydrates. And the reagent is Benedict's. Benedict's reagent is a reagent that is somehow kind of like a turquoise color. It's a beautiful turquoise color, and in presence of simple carbohydrates, it will turn orange. Now, Benedict doesn't react immediately with every single simple carbohydrate. You might need to trigger that reaction by adding a little bit of heat. But let's see. We have here the Benedict's again is a stain for simple carbohydrates, and we have starch. That's one of the reagents, and you know starch is a complex carbohydrate. So in essence, you have a negative reaction with Benedict's. Negative reaction will be, you know, Benedict's is blue, so blue should remain. Not changing color means a negative reactions for simple carbohydrates. In here we have glucose. Glucose is a simple carbohydrate, so it should react with Benedict's. Now remember, Benedict's does not a priori react with every single simple carbohydrate. So let's see what happens here. I'm going to add Benedict's to my starch solution. Okay, and do I have any color reaction? Not really. It stays blue, so it means that I don't have any simple carbohydrate here. But let's look at glucose, and this is a 30% glucose solution. Glucose is completely clear. I'm going to add my Benedict's. Okay, a few drops will do. Okay, and I'm going to mix. And you see that there's no reaction, they're both blue. So Benedict's did not react with my glucose right away. So let's make sure. And now what we're going to do is we are going to boil it. So we have here the starch and we have the glucose. So you have to put them in boiling water, and we're going to see if there's any kind of reaction. It takes a few minutes depending on the concentration of the reagents that you used. But if we have a positive reaction, for simple sugars, the Benedict's should start turning orangey or yellowish. It takes a while. Now you can see right away that my glucose solution is turning orange. And let me just take it out of the water, and you can see that my glucose solution is completely orange, while my starch solution is still blue. So this tells me that glucose is a simple carbohydrate as tested by the Benedict solution, while my starch is not a simple carbohydrate. Now you can force this reaction, and you can actually add some acid like hydrochloric acid